Half of my hometown still hanging around, still talking about that one touchdown. They're still wearing red and black, go Bobcats, while the other half of my hometown, they all got out. Some went north, some went south, they're still looking for a feeling half of us ain't found. So stay or leave, part of me will always be half of my hometown. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. So this is a great song that I heard recently. So I don't know if everyone in here likes Kelsea Ballerini or not, but I do. So here it is. So let me know if you guys have other requests and stuff though. I know there's a couple out there, but I kind of want to rotate some of the songs a little bit. So please hit like and subscribe and let me know if there's other songs you want to learn. All right, please hit the notification bell too. That way you'll get notified when I come out with a tutorial, especially if it's the one that you requested. So okay, standard tuning, capo on the 1st fret. Okay, the song has a handful of chords. So the chords you're going to use for this song, but they're in various orders. So I'm going to show you the different orders. But you're going to do A, E, F sharp minor. All right, and D. All right, you're also going to do B minor, but again, this is not in this order, so you're going to want to stick around. And you're going to slide up 2 frets and do C sharp minor as well. Okay, so here's where how you're gonna start the song. The song starts just with A. Okay, you're just doing down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Then you do D, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. Okay, so you're just doing that down, down, up, down, up. Now you're gonna do that strumming pattern for pretty much the whole song. For the intro, I would probably do all of the chords. I'm muting the top one though. Okay, then when you play the verse, you're gonna want to play extra soft. So you're gonna do half of my high school got too drunk. Half of my high school fell in love with the girl next door. Okay, so what I'm doing here, even though I'm playing the actual chord, I'm trying to only hit the G, B, and the little E strings. Okay, you could also palm mute and do half of my high school got too drunk. Half of my high school fell in love with the girl next door. So you could do that. That's not what they do in the song. So in the song, they're actually doing more of just it sounds more like that. Okay, so you're just gonna try and do the bottom 3 strings. Half of my high school got too drunk. Half of my high school fell in love with the girl. And girl is where you do switch to D. So you're still just doing, in the verse, you're just doing A, D, A, D. All right, so you're doing with the girl next door in their daddy's Ford. Half, okay, so you do and half, and that half you go back to A. And half of my main street's mini skirts. Half of my main street's dressed for church. It could use, and then on use you do D, and you're gonna stick with D for the rest of the verse. It could use some rain and a fresh coat of paint. Okay, and then you're gonna go to the chorus. The chorus is gonna start with A, and then it's gonna go to E. And actually, I don't know if I said, I think I did say E. Okay, so you're gonna do half of my hometowns, and then on towns is where you're gonna do A. Half of my hometown still hanging around, still talking about. So on towns you do A, and then when you go to about, you're gonna do E. About that one touchdown, they're still wearing. So wearing, you do F sharp minor, okay? Wearing red and black, go Bobcats. So at the end of cats is where you're gonna do D. All right, so still wearing is F sharp minor, and go Bobcats. Cats is gonna be D. Cats, while the other half of my hometown, and then on town you do A again. All right, town they all got out. Some went north. So on north you do E. North, some went south, they're still looking. So looking is F sharp minor. So you're gonna do looking for a feeling. So feeling is E. Feeling half of us ain't found. Ain't found, right in the between there is where you're gonna do D. Ain't found. And then you're gonna stay on this for a second, and then do so stay or leave. So stay or leave is gonna be B minor. Stay or leave, part of me. So part of me is C sharp minor. Now, the easy way to remember that if you don't know where C sharp minor is you're going to be on B minor, and you're just going to slide up 2 frets. Same strings and everything. Part of me will always be. Okay, always be is you're going to do D. Always be half of my hometown. So you're still just doing the same strumming pattern for the chorus, all right? But you're going to be, this time you're going to be doing all of the notes. So if you were to do it with a pick, it'd be half of my hometown, still hanging around, still talking about our 1 touchdown. They're still wearing red and black, go Bobcats, while the other half of my hometown, they all got out. Some went north, some went south. They're still looking for a feeling half of us ain't found. So stay or leave, part of me always be half of my hometown. And then before you go to the second verse, you're just going to do A, D once. Just stay on A, D, and kind of do like the intro again, but just do A, D right there. And you're going to do the second verse. It's the same as the first one. Second chorus is the same as the first one, as the first chorus. And then after you do the second chorus, you're going to do E, half of my hometown. So you E right before half of my hometown. And then town, you do F sharp minor, town, D. And then you're going to do back. So then for the bridge, you do back. So back is F sharp minor. Back roads raised us. Okay, so you do back roads raised us. Highways they take us. Okay, so you do F sharp minor, E, D, A. Then you do B minor, C sharp minor, D. So that would go back roads raised us. Highways that take us. Memories make us wanna go back to our hometown. And then for this last chorus, what you're gonna do for the first half of it is you're just gonna do like single strums. To our hometown, settle down, talk about that 1 touchdown, raise some kids in red and black, go Bobcats, while the other half of my hometown. And then you're gonna do A, and then you're gonna go right back into it. So when you start with the next A, so the first A, you're gonna go all the way through the chord progression. You're just gonna do single strums. And then when you get to the next A of our hometown, and then you're gonna start the full strumming, okay? That's how you play the whole song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or song requests or anything else. Thanks for watching. It's been fun. See you next time.